Nonstick Baking Plates. Make 9 cake pops. Power light. Latching handle and non-skid rubber feet. Convenient cord wrap. Item shape, round. Babycakes mini cake pop maker. Bake 9 cake pops or donut holes in just minutes with non-stick baking plates. Non-stick baking plates. Making cake pops couldn't be easier. Simply spray with oil, pour the batter, close the lid, bake for a few minutes, and voila, perfect, round cake balls. Pop them out with ease, then wipe down to clean. Top reviews from the United States. Works perfect. This is exactly what it says it is. It's small. I used half of a Duncan Hines Devil's Food cake mix box directions but just stirred it. I used 1 tea per cake pop. Cooked in 4.5 minutes. Perfect. If yours isn't working, demand a new one. I literally took his out of the box. Read the directions. Made the mix. Plugged it into heat approximately 4 minutes. I used a quart Ziploc bag corner clipped off. I had a clothespin to stop the leakage. There wasn't enough to fool with it. I laid the bag on a plate. I set the cake pop cooker on my glass top stove. Sprayed the cooker. Fill the cake pop cooker and 4.5 minutes later the pops were done perfect. They popped out. Repeat. Made 45. Just the right amount for a dessert. That is half a cake mix box. I live in Phoenix. It is way too hot to bake most days.